Hey guys, this is day 1 of week 2's work, and the very top says multiply, use an area model, or place value strategies. So I'm going to do mine both ways, but you only need to do yours one way because it says or. So I'm going to start with the area model. Our problem is 23 times 14, so we're going to break 23 into 20 plus 3 and draw our line down there. And then 14 would be 10 plus 4. Okay, so then we're just going to multiply using our boxes. 20 times 10. Well, 2 times 1 is 2, and then there's 2 zeros. Okay, then 10 times 3 is 30. 20 times 4 is 80, and 3 times 4 is 12. So then I just write those down and add them up. So then we add those all up. And the answer is 322. Okay, now to do it using place value, we didn't do this a lot in class, but it's still pretty easy. We're going to start with the ones place and multiply 4 times 3 is 12. And then 4 times, and remember the 2 is actually 20. So 4 times 20 is 80. And then we're going to move to the tens place. So that 1 represents 10 because it's in the tens place. So 10 times 3 is 30. And 10 times 20 is 200. And we add that up. And again, we get 322. Okay, I'm just going to work out the next 5 and not talk through them. So if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed the multiplication and music. That was from some Charlie Chaplin films. Anyway, so now on the last one, it's what's the same and what's different about the pictures. There's lots of things that you can say, so I'm only going to pick one or two things for same or different to write down. But you write what you find that is the same and is different, and then see if we got the same answer or if we pick different things. So we'll start with the same. In picture number 1, they're both pictures of plants, right? Pretty easy. And B, in both pictures, there are 18 plants. So now, what's different about the two pictures? So one thing that I notice is that the first picture keeps them all together on the row, and the second picture divides them apart down the middle. So that's one thing that's different. I'm not going to write that. I'm going to think of it in a mathematical way. Okay, picture 1 shows 3 groups of 6. Picture 2 shows 6 groups of 3.